Forest River LaCrosse Luxury Lite for sale in Pollock, South Dakota 57648. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2018 Forest River LaCrosse Luxury Lite. This luxurious travel trailer is 33 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably sleep up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as a power leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. Highlights include Corian countertops, standard size electric Whirlpool refrigerator / FreezerThree Burner Cooktop / OvenMicrowaveLarge kitchen sink, dinette with 4-chair SeatingVisual, Fireplace, HeaterFlat screen television and LivingroomSurround sound, interior speakers and exterior speakers, fold-out couch, sleeps TwoTwo ReclinersLarge bathroom with ShowerMaster, king-size bed, full-size master closet / DresserPropane, FurnaceOutdoor shower, 50-watt plug-in dual axle. The list could go on and on. This 2018 Forest River LaCrosse Luxury Lite is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2018 Forest River LaCrosse Luxury Lite can be yours.